Hey everybody, Jake here with TrendSpider to do our weekend analysis on the three broad market ETFs SPY, XBI, and QQQ into the short holiday week. Starting off with, we have SPY, which is really kind of forming this inverse head and shoulders that we've been watching for the last week or two. It is kind of lopsided, so it's not exactly what I'd call textbook. This right shoulder is a little lower than the left shoulder. However, we still have the defined left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder here. So one thing to keep in mind is the last time that we had like an RSI daily cross through the weekly, and the weekly is just the dotted line here that's overlaid on the daily chart. And so last time that we crossed through this area, there's a pretty big move up to test wedge resistance above. We did cross that area on Friday. We'll see if we kind of test that area above on Monday around 277 to 278. On the longer term chart, we are definitely in kind of the lower part of this price channel. That is really kind of interesting. The price is now having trouble breaking through and kind of maintaining momentum over this SMA and the EMA 50 and 20. Now, what's interesting is we really haven't had that type of resistance since late 2015, early 2016. So notice every time on the way up in this price channel, the price has really found support on the MAs. Now we're actually having resistance at the MAs. So, will this be that we kind of start to roll back down and test the support below? We'll just have to see. But if we look at the percent range, anytime that we've been in this oversold area that has kind of tested this white area, know that within 1 to 3 months in this time frame, there has been a rather large move up. So if you're kind of looking at the longer term, we are very oversold. MACD is not looking great. It could cross down below the zero line. We'll just have to see what happens with that. But if you have any questions at all about our technical analysis platform, about how to automate your trend lines, your fib levels, or create dynamic alerts on the chart, please send us a message and we will be happy to help and teach you kind of how to use the platform. We also have one-on-one demos and webinars as well that you can get on and kind of learn more about the system. Thanks so much for listening to our weekend analysis on SPY, and we'll have two other videos coming along with this.